Hello guys, good morning one and all. This is Gospira. Today's seminar is Delhi in danger due to air pollution. These red spot indicates high pollution areas in India. Delhi is the more polluted city in the world. We know that the Delhi is the capital city of India, facing numerous challenges that is pose a threat to its environment, health, and sustainable development. The city air quality is often hazardous, especially during the winter months, with an air quality index. I display in the video the central government control board air quality index standards 0 to 10 good, 51 to 100 satisfy, 101 to 200 moderate, 201 to 300 poor, and 301 to 4 very poor. Now Delhi facing a hazardous state with 600 above standards air quality index. Situation is very hazardous state in Delhi. Causes in Delhi: biomass burning, vehicle emission, industrial pollution, construction activities are more. The hazardous gases are carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide come from heavy vehicles. Most stubborn burning cities like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. In these states, more farmers burn their crops. The waste air is flowing into the Delhi. Effects of pollution is respiratory problems like asthma, obstructive pulmonary diseases, and lung damages. Measures for air pollution is graded response action plan, increase public transport, promoting clean energy, improve air quality, and waste management. Most of the non-smokers suffers lung cancer in Delhi. Due to the air pollution in Delhi, average life expectancy is 7.8 years decreases. An estimation is 1.1 million vehicles enter and exit Delhi. The air quality index tell that heat related illness. Delhi extremely summer can lead to heat related illness such as heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Sustainability concerns like rapid urbanization. Delhi rapid urbanization has a leads to distraction of natural habits, loss of biodiversity, and increased pressure on resources and transportation consent. Delhi roads are increasingly congested and leading to air pollution, traffic accidents, and decreased quality of life and energy and resource depletion. Delhi growing population and economy are putting a strain on the city energy and resource statements. We already know that air quality index tell that most polluted city in the world is Delhi due to air pollution. Conclusion: to improve air quality in Delhi, increase public transportation, promote EV vehicles, and increase green cover. We know already well that Yamuna river is flowing in Delhi. Promote water conservation and ensuring proper wastewater treatment. Increase green space like creating more parks, gardens, and green roofs to enhancing the public health infrastructure, strengthening healthcare systems, and improving. Years back, China also faced this situation, and these are the solution is implementing in the China for to regain their environment. Thank you for giving this opportunity, sir. Thank you, one and all friends.